Today I'm going to discuss shopping in Boca Raton, Mizner Park. I'm Kristin Stampini, and thanks for tuning in to StampTV. Mizner Park is a lifestyle center in downtown Boca Raton, Florida. The center includes many eateries for your enjoyment. It also has the Center for the Arts at Mizner Park is located on the north end of the development, which includes an amphitheater and the Boca Raton Museum of Art. Mizner Park has to be one of the most beautiful outdoor malls that I have ever visited. The park part of the name is very fitting, and there is a large grassy area that runs the full length of the property with benches and other amenities that allow for a relaxed and enjoyable experience. The property is very upscale with many interesting shops, restaurants, entertainment, amphitheater, and a movie complex. No trip to this place is complete without a visit to this retail property, which offers unparalleled retail stores set in a perfectly landscape park-like environment outside. In 2020, 2 new restaurants will open at Mizner. There's gonna be a Mexican restaurant and a bar that has a location in Jupiter, and the Bluefish Sushi and Japanese restaurant that has 9 Texas locations. Mizner will also add entertainment Lost Weekend, which features billiards, games, arts, and beer, and Strikes 10 Bowling also are scheduled to open in 2020. Lululemon, who loves Lululemon, also opened its seasonal pop-up store in Mizner. Earlier this month, the new Woof Gallery opened at the plaza, and the gallery, which sells collectibles and reproduction, and is testing their gallery to see how it does in Mizner. So, Wolf Gallery features about 1 million worth of collectibles and reproductions, including famous New York signs such as Bronx Zoo, old mobile gas pumps, Star Wars memorabilia, artwork, and some collector automobiles. The pop-up store is being tried out for at least 6 months to see how well it does. And then for holidays, Mizner Park features the tree, which is decorated with more than 25,000 LED lights, red and gold bows, and ornaments. Located on the south end of the center near Lord and Taylor, the iTree features 20-minute musical light shows at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and 8 p.m., and also 9 p.m. nightly through the holiday season. Families, friends, everybody loves to enjoy this. Mizner is one of my very favorite places, and once you visit it, I'm sure it's going to be one of your favorite places too. Just to hang out, walk around, grab a coffee, go shopping, whatever you want. So thanks again for tuning into my channel. I hope you like this video, and if so, don't forget, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. Also, click that bell icon so you'll receive instant notifications for upcoming new episodes every Tuesday. Thanks. Bye.